One of my favourite things to do is make a wee surprise in my daughter's lunchbox, something she doesn't know about, so at morning tea or at lunchtime she sees it in the lunchbox and thinks, oh, Mum does love me. So here I've got a cup of sunflower seeds, 1 cup of dates, a cup of sultanas or raisins, whatever they prefer, a 1/4 cup of cocoa and a tablespoon of coconut oil, and then I've got some desiccated coconut to roll the bliss balls in. All of this stuff is pans, which you can get from New World. All you do is you bung everything into a food processor. So once it's all whizzed up, you just take it out of the food processor, roll little balls like so, a couple of those, and you just roll it in a little bit of the coconut. Just sneak them into the lunchbox when they're not looking. And there's your surprise. And the great thing is it makes so many that there is room to have a little nibble yourself. Very good.